Good morning everybody, thanks for joining me again. Just a short video this week, but I wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I've had quite a few more over the last few weeks, so welcome to the gang, and I hope you enjoy the videos. As you can see, I'm down at Brixham Harbour, but I'm actually taking a couple of weekends off from filming, just to have a bit of a rest. But I'm down here this morning just to take a panorama as the sun comes up and shines on the buildings opposite. So, no guesses for what you can expect next week. Anyway, thanks again. Hopefully you can join me next week. But for now, cheerio.